Hey everyone, and welcome back to TTS Today. The team has been working on a host of new features. They will supercharge your workflow from an expanded lighting quotation interface to a sleek new customer profile. Plus, there will be small but powerful additions to the projects and company data tabs. Let's get into it. Let's go over some of the smaller additions first. So, on the company data tab, as you all know, this is a maintenance tab. Not everybody has access to this tab, so if you don't, you can contact your office administrator. They should be able to make changes for you. Company data has a company data tab within it, and this is where a lot of the drop-down menus get filled in. So 3 additions we've added to the company data tab: sub quote status. So now you have multiple statuses that can be added to quotes. Purchase order status. We have a new purchase order shipping status screen that can be updated, and this just gives you the different statuses that can be added. And approval status. So quotes can be sent out for approval from outside architects, engineers, like that. And this gives you different statuses that can be added to that screen. Vendor options is the next addition. This is something brand new, and vendor options are currently only operational for lighting quotations and purchase orders. So let's choose a vendor. And the first thing to note right away is the new quotation system in the lighting side allows you to enter vendors per line. And it uses a drop-down menu. So the drop-down menu will only fill in with vendors that have options. So you can go into this screen first and just click on a vendor and click save, and then it will be available in that lighting quotation line. A couple of the options that we have here: reconcile type. So you can reconcile by purchase order or reconcile by purchase order line item. That's where you choose how that's handled in that screen. Freight terms. So you can actually add a number which would allow you to add a prepaid freight. So when you go to the PDF of a quote, down in the notes section, you'll see if an order is, or if a quote is prepaid or not, based on this value. Minimum order amount is currently not active, so we'll skip over that. Commission splits. So this is a reference only section. It doesn't do any calculations on any quotations, so just for references only. Standard commission rates. So what I was saying in the beginning, right? You have this drop down, which gives you all the new vendors that can be added to a lighting quote. So once you add them, it will automatically fill in the base commission percentage as well as the overage percentage. So this is when you do line by line vendors. You also have the ability, as you know, to create a product file. And in the product file, you can build this same information. Some people manually enter lighting quote lines and information without using the product file. So this will fill in that screen. Next, under the CRM, we have company profile. Company profile is a simple way of just adding certain information to a specific distributor in the system. So again, it's for everyone in your organization to see this. They can refer to this if they need to see contact information, if they need to see. Let's take a look. Account information, the type of work that that distributor does, the territories. Are they a union or prefab shop? Different contacts, right? So we can see all the contacts on this screen. So it's a good on-screen view, and also a way to save this information. You can add account partners, so you can add a row and add a specific partner, as well as account notes. The last basic change that we've or addition that we've added to the system is in the projects screen. So projects, as you know, is a way of gathering all information for a specific job into a project. So let's actually search for a project. And again, this is a project that has already been filled in. The new additions to the project screen are bid date and follow-up date. Currently, or originally, we had just creation date. And by adding these two additional dates, it gives you one extra area that you can, or two extra areas that you can run reports on. So if you want to see reports on a bid range or a follow-up date range, you can add that and that'll give you a report. And that's it for some of the more basic additions. In the next video, we're going to go deeper into quotations and some of the more advanced additions that we made to TTS 4.0. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.